Hi, I am Arun, co-founder of Breeze. So today, 31% websites run on WordPress. Uh, it's a content management system, and it's the default choice for developers and marketeers. However, the WordPress, however, the WordPress hosting experience is broken. Let's talk about Bob. Bob, the website builder. So he runs a marketing agency, and his client just asked him to build a website. But before Bob can get to real business, he has to do a lot of work. He has to figure out how much traffic the website is going to get and buy a server for that. He has to download and install WordPress. He has to figure out caching because website has to be fast. He has to configure security and firewall. He has to take care of backups and 24/7 monitoring. Now, this is a lot of work for Bob. It's a clear overhead for his business. He would rather do marketing and SEO, something which drives revenue. And this is the same scenario with all the developers and marketeers who work on WordPress. We have solved this problem. We built Breeze. So with Breeze, the clear vision was that building and running a website on WordPress should be easy, fast, and absolutely hassle-free. Now with Breeze, Bob, he can get started in just a couple of clicks and a few minutes. Everything gets taken care of by the platform. The website will be fast, which is absolutely critical in a mobile-first world. It'll be secure, it'll be scalable, so he doesn't have to worry about whether the website will be down or not. He's running a marketing campaign, so all those worries are taken care of. The SSL, the uptime, the performance monitoring, everything basically gets taken care of by the platform, and he can just continue building the business and marketing. We've built this using best-in-class technology, which allows us to be fast, agile, and we are present across the world in all locations. So the webmasters can just choose the location closest to their customers. We've building this from an experience of more than 10 years in WordPress. So we've been building and marketing WordPress since last 10 years. Me and my partner, Sahil, we've co-founded a company, Server Guy, which does cloud management and consulting. We have more than $1 million in annual revenue, and we have a team of 28. Actually, now we are, since we submitted the presentation, we are 32 now. We're growing really fast. And yeah, so we're very confident that we have the understanding and the know-how of the space, and we can build a huge business out of it and become the default choice for all the developers and marketeers who are working on WordPress, that they should be choosing Breeze for their platform. Thank you so much. And I would request all of you to check out Breeze and recommend to anybody who's working on WordPress. They would love you for it. Thank you.
I mean, cloud computing, hosting on the web, and all this, and solving the problem seems like a straightforward thing. You are building a bit of the backbone and infrastructure. So, who's running your sales right now? Do you manage to convince the VP, head of sales for WordPress to come out, take his all customer name list out, and then you can start selling?
So our primary go-to-market strategy right now is working through agencies, because the developers are the ones who are building sites day in, day out, and we have optimized their workflow. So a developer could easily save 10 or 20 hours a month, something which would go into building and maintaining the website, because you have to keep them secure. GDPR was...
Why don't you work with the WordPress thing? Whoever download the WordPress, buy a link over there, and then so immediately, since you are targeting only the WordPress,
yes,
that's a good channel.
Yes, so we have done outreach, we're doing partnerships. So it has a vibrant ecosystem. We are working with the theme developers, plugin developers. They would recommend our product, so their plugins and themes run fast. They get a commission out of it. So the go-to-market strategy initially revolves around developers. Once we hit a reasonable traction, we would build out sales team for enterprise sales. But right now, it's developers who are taking our product to the market.
So basically, you are a service startup, right?
Platform as a service. Yes.
Pricing model?
So we are a subscription model. We charge on per visitors. We charge a visitor, so they don't have to worry about what size of server you have to buy, how much RAM or storage. We charge on per visit. Our plan starts at $25 a month. So far, it's going up, so people are paying up to $500 a month. We have enterprise customers whom we are trying to get on board. We're managing it for them. So they are paying us almost $2,000 a month for their websites. Yeah.
Oh, please thank. Oh, sorry. One more.
Sorry. So WordPress is run by Automatic. They are a unicorn, so they are multi-billion dollar valuation. Our closest competitor is WP Engine. They are a sort of a $1 billion company now. They recently raised $250 million. So people like GoDaddy, they do a old generation of hosting. We are transforming that, so we'll be eating up their market. Yeah, thank you.
Please thank Aaron from Breeze. High five. Aaron, give me a high five, man. Don't leave me hanging out there.